What's going on, Amazon sellers? In this video, we're going to be talking about how you can create a shipment where your products are going to one Amazon warehouse and how you can create a shipment where your products are going to a nearby Amazon facility so you don't have to pay a leg and an arm for shipping. Now, before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and like the video below so you don't miss out on any of my tips. All right, so the first thing that you need to know is why Amazon splits up your shipment in the first place. So maybe you have a shipment of 1,000 units going to Amazon so that it could be fulfilled by Amazon, FBA. Amazon may ask you to split up your shipment to 3 different warehouses. So maybe they'll ask for 300 units to warehouse number 2, 200 to warehouse number 2, and the remaining 500 to warehouse number 3. And the reason Amazon does this is purely because of logistics reasons. They want to be able to fulfill and deliver the product to their customer a lot quicker, right? So that they can offer that Prime, which is 2-day delivery, 1-day or same-day delivery. So this is why Amazon asks you to split up your shipment. Now, there is a way around this, and there is a way of telling Amazon, hey, I would rather send all 1,000 units to one warehouse instead of splitting it to different warehouses. This is called inventory placement. So it's basically just telling Amazon, I'd rather send my 1,000 units to one warehouse instead of splitting it up to 3 different warehouses. Amazon will say, okay, once you create a shipping plan, everything will go to one warehouse. Once Amazon receives the 1,000 units, they will distribute to the different warehouses themselves. But Amazon will charge you a fee for this. And I'm going to list the fee for you over here so that you guys know exactly what you will be paying if you decide to go the inventory placement route. The other thing that you need to note is that your products will be in the reserve section in your Seller Central a lot longer than it would be if you were to distribute the products yourself to the 3 warehouses. So that's another downside, that there will be a longer lead time, a longer delivery time for your customers to receive the product. Now, maybe you've paused this video and you've done some calculations and you've realized that this is actually more expensive than sending it to the 3 different warehouses. So maybe you'd rather send it to the 3 different warehouses, but you're still paying a leg and an arm because some of the warehouses are really far away. Maybe you have to send 500 units to the east coast of the US and you're located on the west side. So your shipment is very, very expensive. How can you send these units to a close or nearby warehouse? And there is a way, it's a little bit of a trick, and it's kind of like a hit or a miss. All right, so the first thing I'll show you guys is how to turn on your inventory placement. Okay, this is very simple. All you do is you log into your Amazon Seller Central account. You're going to navigate to the top right corner where it says settings. You're going to hit the fulfillment by Amazon button right here. And then you're going to land on a page over here. Underneath inbound settings, you're going to see inventory placement option. And you're just going to toggle this and you're going to enable it. That's it. Once you do that, confirm it. And now your inventory placement option is turned on. All right, so now to create a shipping plan where your products are being sent to a nearby facility. Maybe the inventory placement is not a good option for you because it's too expensive and you'd rather diversify and split the shipments yourself and save a little bit of money. So if you decide to take this route, it's a route that I take myself as well. You can see over here, I've got a bunch of shipments that have been deleted simply because I have been trying to do this myself, and I have been doing it myself for a while now successfully, and I have been able to more often than not, send my shipment to a nearby facility, or at the very least, I have been able to successfully save money on shipping. Now, the only requirement for this is that you should have a shipping plan that you have used in the past where you actually have sent to Amazon. So, for example, let's refer to this one over here. I've sent 1,000 units to a particular warehouse, this one here, and maybe I want to send more units to this warehouse because it's nearby. So all you do is you open up this shipment, and all you do is you hit duplicate. So you're going to duplicate the shipment, and you're going to continue with the shipment, and you're going to see which warehouse address it allocates to. And you want to pick a shipping plan. If you have multiple, fantastic. You're going to try different ones, the ones that are close to your facility. You're going to duplicate those, and you're going to try this a few different times, and you can enter different quantities as well. So maybe you have 1,000 units, maybe you'll put in 500 units initially, and then you make another shipping plan with 500 units as well. And more often than not, you will be able to get a warehouse that's located closer to your facility rather than creating a brand new shipment where it's being split up to 3 different warehouses, and maybe some of the warehouses are really far away. You will have more success creating a shipping plan this way. And you can adjust the quantities. Maybe, you sent 1,000 units last time, but you only have 200 that you're sending in this time. So you can adjust the quantities once you duplicate the shipment. So I urge you guys to try this method. You might end up saving a lot of money, and it's definitely been a useful trick for myself. I really hope that you guys can find some sort of value from this as well. And again, if I've helped you guys at all throughout this video, I urge you guys to subscribe and like the video, and stay tuned for the next one.